What's up, YouTube? Day 3, passing 5 150K combines, transparency, showing everything. So I'm gonna break down this setup I took today. I'm gonna start playing the video, show you why I took this setup over ES supply. My mentor lost today and I won today. And I'm gonna break down exactly why I won and why he lost. So this is on my express right here, my one express I have left. The other expresses, I was trading them like shit. I don't care for them. So I was taking risky setups. It is what it is, perfectly fine, don't care so much. I need these 5 150K expresses. So now I went in on 8 contracts. 8 contracts is a lot. That's too much here. So I closed 2 contracts early because I don't want to lose so much money and put so much money on this setup when it's very much so counter trend. This is very counter trend. But just like what I emphasized, New York Stock Exchange open. After that, break a structure, tap the zone, and go in favor of the stock exchange open. So, or go in favor of the break of structure. So, right here, break of the candle entry off the supply. My entry was a little bit off, kind of sucks. I should have put sell limits, perfectly fine. And right there you can see I closed the contracts early. So I only wanted a $480 stop, about $500 risk on this trade. That's much better than $800. $800 is just like my A+ setup. This is like a B grade setup. We're just going counter trend. That's the only problem. But I'll show you right now why this setup was so much better than ES. And this is exactly what I've been posting. Russell after New York Stock Exchange open, break of structure, supply and demand. I mean, bro, I can't. I just put a video on this and I just did it again today. Come on. Like, it's pretty, I don't know. I'm literally doing what I preach in real time, showing everything. So pay attention because this is just free game I'm putting out there. So this is my express. I need that $200 day. I'm just going for one more payout on that real quick. And this was not bad. I got out perfectly, which I'll show in TradingView right now. I got out at these wicks. So I was just letting them run. I think I closed one more here soon and left my one contract. Yep. So I'm up 402. Now if I would have held all 5 contracts to where I exited my runner, that would have been like a $1,800 day. So it's all good. I got about 15 trading days left to pass this combine before I get rebuild. And that's the goal. I'm not trying to pay twice for these combines. So there's also just gonna be a quick little video, quick little update. I'm probably not gonna do too much editing on this. Not gonna throw on lofi. It's just real quick. Quick setup breakdown. I'm gonna do this day by day as I'm trading these accounts. And yeah, I took this dub on my personal account and on my 150K straight to sim from Tradeify. So you can just see, I mean, we're just melting. This is textbook reaction, textbook counter trend setup. No complaints whatsoever. EMAs, the reason they didn't take this in the Discord, is because of EMAs. I've already said this time and time again. Market structure over EMAs. Market structure over EMAs. Market structure was far better on Russell than ES, and they lost. They lost on ES. I don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you at that point. I'm also tired as hell, so I probably look nappy as fuck, but there you go. 761. Close for the day. I was uploading this on my Instagram. You gotta follow my Instagram. When you see the daily live trades, put it in the description below. And there you go. I'm gonna even pull up the, let's see, right here on my Topstep. I mean, same thing. And then this was my 150K straight to sim, $1,000 a day. I did more money on this one. Kind of sucks. Should have done more on the Topstep X. But now to the trade. So my analysis here: 5 minute, we have a 15 minute, and we have a 1 hour. 1 hour is not so significant because it's just this is not how you trade the 1 hour supply and demand, but it is a 1 hour supply. So, I mean, breaking structure, not really. So it's just 15-minute and 5-minute, but there is a 1 hour supply too. So not too sure about that. But looking at this market structure, okay, we're trending bullish, clearly trending bullish. So it makes more sense for price to pull down after how much bullish price action we had. But I can't even talk. Jesus. Okay, now we're looking at ES. What's the difference here? Clearly bullish, clearly trending until we broke structure off stock exchange open. Beautiful break structure, aggressive selling. Now go to ES, stock exchange open, aggressive candle, but higher time frame. Okay, we're bullish, but there's a huge difference here. This is way more bullish and this is bullish. So we're damn near in a range here. There's your range right here. This is your range. So looking at this setup, we don't have a 15-minute supply. We only have a 5-minute supply right here. You know, we'd be taking break of the candle. This was pretty, I don't know. They got finessed. I'm not gonna lie, they got finessed. Here's your entry. Maybe the next one. Bro, it gave you an entry and instantly lost. Like, you got finessed. Market makers messing with you, something, I don't know. That's what they're saying in the chat. But I don't know, you can call it whatever you want, market makers, whatever the fuck. You just got finessed. You got finessed 100%. This one, this just looks so much better because of how high we went to tap that zone and also break and retest. This is kind of a support here, which is what I've been noticing on Russell. Break and retest. It loves to do break and retest. So you can mix this supply and demand, 5-minute, 15-minute zone, also a break and retest. Fast forward this, tap the zone, break of the candle. It looks like it lost there, but it didn't lose. So go back. Let's go to 1-minute intervals. It pushed up and then it went down. So let's see. There you go. Hasn't broke the candle yet. Hasn't made an entry yet. Okay, it's about to make entry. There you go. That's your entry. Stop loss. 1 to 1. And I took it down to about 1 to 3 on my runner. So a little scary here. A little bit scary, of course. Kind of have some wicks here to be worried about. EMAs also. Market structure over EMAs every time. Every single time. And the rest is history. And I caught it to the bottom. Literally perfect. Perfect execution. Literally caught it all. Should have left more contracts on, definitely, to catch more of it. But, I mean, look at the drop this did. This didn't even drop. This barely moved down. After pulling a little bit of liquidity, kind of pulled liquidity, not that clean. I guess you could say it pulled liquidity. It's really just chopped. It's just choppy. This one, so much better, so much better. And NQ is out of the picture. I haven't really traded NQ much, but there is no supply. There's nothing to take here. So, come on, bro. Literally just made a video on this exact setup. Took it today. I took it last week. I took it last month, and I took it twice last month. Took it last week, and I took it today. I'm 4-4 on this setup on Russell. So, beautiful, beautiful trade. Let's see how this week finishes off.